In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn any language with ChatGPT. Now, I've been using ChatGPT to learn Thai, so if there's any Thai people watching, Sawadee Kap. Now, I'm going to explain here how you can use this and some additional features that you might want to know to create resources that will help you learn faster. So if you go ahead and go to your app store on your phone, you can download ChatGPT, and I would do this on the phone app, because the app allows you to speak to it and actually speak your language and have a conversation with ChatGPT. So we're going to go ahead and open up a new chat, and inside of this chat we can either speak to it via a message and type, or we can also speak via the microphone icon. So if you click on the microphone icon, we can just speak something here. Hi ChatGPT, can you help me learn German? If you use the microphone feature, it will recognize what you say and then type it, and you can go ahead and send it. Now, it's going to obviously answer you back, and you can go from there. Now, you can also use the feature where it will respond to you. So if you go ahead and click on the headphone icon in the bottom right, you can actually have a conversation with ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT, I want to learn German. Can you tell me how to say hello in German?
Sure. In German, hello is commonly said as hallo. For more formal situations, you can also say Guten Tag, which means good day.
And you can hear, obviously, the ChatGPT voice is telling me how to say hello, which is Guten Tag, or hello in German. Now, if we go ahead and exit out of this, and we can actually get the transcript of what's being said. Now, you can use this to your advantage when you're learning, because you can go back and revise on things that you've already learned. Using the feature that allows you to speak to ChatGPT actually allows you to speak in German or speak in the language that you're trying to learn, and it will give you feedback in real time. One other helpful thing though, I've been using it to learn Thai, right? And you can actually go ahead and tell it to put all of the phrases that you've learned in a table. So I've said here, put it in a table. And we've got some Thai phrases here in a table which we can download. So this is great for creating resources that you can use to learn the language. So I hope these tips were helpful. Go ahead and let me know what language you're going to learn in the comment section below.